assaulting a federal agent and resisting arrest.
We're bringing him back now.
You've got to listen to me.
No, we don't.
He's gonna kill her.
Oh, it's a neat story. Vincent Kinsey has come back from the dead?
Yeah. Me, if I were coming back from the dead, it wouldn't be for daughter killing. It'd be to go to Rick's Cabaret to see some naked ladies.
I've got to take that.
You want me to take a message?
I've only got 8 rings to pick up that call.
Hey, sit back.
Hello? I'm here. I'm here. I'm here.
Really coming down to the wire on this one, eh, Gum? Or have trouble getting out of your pocket?
I'm not. I just...
Sound like you're out of breath.
Tell me something, Gum.
What's the scenery like down there in Tuscaloosa?
I always wanted to take that ride along the Gulf.
I don't have it.
Or better yet, why don't you tell me how Hoyt's doing?
Because that's where you were anyway.
I don't have the money.
What'd I say to you about lying to me?
I'm sorry. I just...
Your daughter's dead.
No, wait! Wait!
You really don't have it, do you?
I'll get you the money.
May I ask how?
But going back to wrong.